Border security. You know, the thing with running for the borders is that there's such things as honeypots, arranged marriages overseas, mail order brides. It also happens in reverse if you live on a border town where passport bros will seek out marriages in order to gain entry to countries and pay for those critical documents that they would need to defraud the proper immigration channels, channeling marriage fraud, abuse of border town insecurity and low levels of security, which would involve CBSA and TSA and TFSA and Homeland Security like ICE, baby, Darth Maul, Border Patrol, immigration, fraud, waste, misuse of government services, policing, repeatedly misusing those essential services like the hospital emergency rooms, the Mental Health Institute, the General Hospital in Chilliwack, emergency room situations of contaminated pre-assessment, preconceived notions of patients by none other than the mental health constable. For example, any racist robocops. It would cause a distress nationwide as the Mental Health of Canada legislation, bills, acts. Are we on the same page with protecting and serving proper conduct, unidentified properly, proper protocols? How about professionalism, sophistication when calling my phone